Welcome back to my channel, my people. I'm here with my friends. What you say their name, Diane?
Blue and yellow.
Blue and yellow. So when I just came in, they were all noisy, man. And I couldn't stand to hear the noise, man. And I was saying, why are they so noisy? Are they always that noisy? And my friend told me no, so I came and I spoke with them, man. And they stopped making noise, man. Hello. Hello, little blue. Hello, yellow. They are so beautiful. Really, really beautiful. And they also have some friends here. Let's check out their friends. Yeah. Ooh, watch your photo time away, Diane. Yeah. They have some friends here, man. Oh. So these are flowers here look like the pot.
Caterpillar eat it
A caterpillar go on, sir? So how the color of the flowers look like the color? Color. This is it. This is it. So yeah. So yeah, here are their friends, man. Pretty white and pretty yellow. How long do they live for?
I'm not sure.
Remember, there were some here first and they died. What caused them to be dead?
Careless.
Carelessness. Don't be careless with these, man. So how long now you have these ones? About a year?
Or more. More than a year.
What you give them other food away from the? What type of food you give them?
See the feeding, eh?
What kind of feeding? Just regular fowl feeding?
No, budgie. Budgie feeding.
Budgie? So much a pound for that one.
That's a bird and name in a budgie.
So these are budgie, and you have to give them the budgie feeding. So who sell the budgie feed? Where you get the budgie? Nowhere else. You have to buy it at the feeding shop.
Farm store.
The farm store. You give them medicine, other medicine.
Yeah, they have vitamin also.
Them have them vitamin.
Eggs, the boiled eggs, them.
Oh my word, they are so lovely. So a boyfriend and girlfriend them? So them are go breed up.
Yeah, them always then laying box.
So you ever get babies from them?
No from the one year.
These more active. Oh my word. These young, a young bird them, then I know hurricane. But they're all peers. So what you do with them when those breed up? Where are their kids?
Some of them dead.
Oh my word.
Oh, some fly away.
Them fly away? Oh, you managed to make that happen. So you want some different cages for the babies?
Fly out.
Mm.
There's 6 of them. One dead and one fly away.
Alright, so what you need to do is breed them up and do some business with them. That's what up. Real business. What them name? Mudgies.
Budgie.
Budgies. Okay, budgies. I was here. I was here. I was here. They're so lovely. They are so lovely. Yeah. Yeah. Show me your face. Show me your face.